Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create these cute green ladybug nails. So I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. I did use the Madam Glam Builder Gel in Shimmer Aurora. In case anyone's wondering, we are going to completely cover it up, but this is what I've been working on. And these are the colors that I pulled. This dark green is Celestial Green from Madam Glam, one of my favorite dark greens from them. And then one of my favorite light greens from them is Early Bird. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint the dark green on the ring finger and then do Early Bird on the rest of them. Okay, I have that first coat cured. I'm gonna go ahead and do a second coat on these three nails. So the dark green and then these two for the light green. And then for my pinky and my thumb, we're gonna take this glitter. It's actually from the new Light Elegance Lost in Wonderland, their spring summer collection. This is 6 Impossible Things. And this is kind of what inspired this look a little bit. It is this really pretty green glitter. It almost has like a bluish green base and then these super sparkly green iridescent glitters. So this is what it looks like on. And I feel like it pairs perfectly with Early Bird. It's so beautiful. So I will have a video coming up doing swatches and comparisons for this collection. I already have a couple that I think we definitely have from before, but this one is newer. There's a couple I want to compare it to. I don't think they're going to be quite comparable, but stay tuned for that video. So here's what it looks like with the second coat and then the glitter on the two fingers. Now we're gonna go ahead and do our design on these two fingers. I'm gonna go ahead and cleanse off the tacky layer. We're gonna do some grass, flowers, and then some ladybugs. So I have here on my palette the dark, the Celestial Green. And then I'm going to take a liner brush. I do need some new brushes. I really like these McCart ones. Mine have just gotten really old. So I think I might order the same pack again. If anyone has any recommendations for nail art brushes that aren't too expensive, definitely let me know. I'm just dipping in and I'm going to start just try to do some long strokes for the grass. Like that. And then we'll do the same on the pointer. like that. I'm gonna go ahead and cure those. Then I'm gonna add some lighter green into the grass as well. I'm gonna use my Young Nails. This is Clash. This is almost like a light yellowy type of a green. I just wanted something a little bit different than the base as well, so you could still see it. But I'm gonna go in and add strokes to kind of give it dimension, kind of following similar to the lines we already put down, but just slightly off-centered. Like so, just to add that dimension in the grass. I'm gonna go ahead and cure this. Now we're gonna go in and do our flowers. I'll be using Young Nails Fizz, which is their white. And you'll see I'll be using all of the Young Nails gel paints just because they are quite a bit older in my collection. So I kind of want to just use them and go through them. And then I have my Madam Glam gel paints, which I do prefer the consistency of those. But just so that way I'm using what I have in my collection. I'm going to take a bigger dotting tool. We're going to create some daisies. So we're going to do 5 dots, leaving the center open, because then we'll add our yellow center in it. Then I'm going to take a smaller dotting tool. We're just going to create some extra dots in here. Like so. I'm going to go ahead and flash cure these. So now we're going to add our ladybugs. We're going to use the Power Up, which is a red. And I'm going to use the larger dotting tool. We're going to dot it down, and then I'm going to drag it out a little bit. Dot it down, kind of widen it, drag it down. Like so. We're going to go ahead and flash cure these. Now we're going to go back to our daisies. We're going to use Solar, which is a yellow, still with a large daughter. And we're just going to go right in the center of the daisies. Like so. We'll flash cure those. Now we're going to go back to the ladybugs. We're going to add the black detailing. We'll use Young Nails Overdrive, which is their black. I'm going to switch to my smaller dotting tool. I'm going to go in and create the tops, or I guess the heads of the ladybugs. Then I'm gonna flip to this end, which is my brush. I'm gonna dip it in just to get some color on it. I'm gonna wipe off most of the excess. And I'm gonna use pretty much the pool black that's already on there. And just very carefully drag it down the middle to create its wings. Like so. And then we'll do the same thing. I'm going to drag the paint up. We're going to create the little antennas. Then I'm going to flip back over to the dotting tool. And we're going to add some polka dots. And you can see how I'm not even fully in line. They're gonna look more cartoon-like. Gives it more of that like hand-painted vibe, which it is hand-painted. Like so. I'm gonna go ahead and cure those, and then we're gonna add some bling. Okay, we're gonna add some green. So I pulled a couple different crystals. This darker green is called fern green. I did not label what this lighter one is, but we got a lighter green. And then these are just some regular crystals. Crystal AB, I think. Then we're gonna take our Jelly Nails cluster adhesive gel. And I like to just go in with a large dotting tool. Kind of take a dollop. We're gonna put it on the cuticle here. Just kind of place it where I want to place the crystals. Then I'm going to take my crystal picker up tool. I also need a new one of these. It's definitely hardened out. This is like a wax tip. It's starting to harden out. Let's see if I could warm it up a little bit. I was having a hard time picking up some of the gems. I'm going to try to copy this placement that I did. So I did a large of the light green. Right in the center. And I did two smaller dark greens on either side. The hard part about putting crystals is finding the same size that you were using. Then I have some crystal ABs on either side. And sometimes when the container is super full, it's easier to just dump some out so you could see what you're picking up. Then I have a dark green in the center. Then I have all lighter ones down here. See, I think I didn't quite get the same size because they didn't quite all fit, but it is close enough. So once you kind of get the gems where you want it, I try to get them snug to each other. That's how they stay pretty good on the nail. And I'm gonna go ahead and cure these. So here is what that is looking like. Now we're gonna go ahead and top coat. We'll be using, of course, my Light Elegance Super Shiny. So here is how the nails came out. They are cute, definitely springy. I feel like these are good going into March because they are green. So we have St. Patrick's Day. I didn't quite feel like doing a St. Patrick's Day set, but I was feeling some of the green. It's taking me a little bit to adjust to these just because green is not my favorite color. If I do green, I prefer like a army green or a hunter green. So these light nails are definitely throwing me off a little bit. The last set I had was whatever the dark plum was in the Light Elegance winter collection. I had that on. So these feel quite a bit bright compared to the dark ones I just had, but I will adjust. They are cute though. I was feeling the ladybugs. I remembered I had done this set. I'll put it up on the screen here. One of my very first sets of nail art were these green ladybug ones I had done for March. So I felt nostalgic and recreating those in kind of my new style. So this is what we came up with. I really like them. I really like that glitter from the new Light Elegance collection. It is super pretty, super sparkly, perfect for spring. So you guys will have to let me know what you think of the nails. I know I've been absent on YouTube for a little bit, but I'm hoping to kind of get back into it. So I filmed these ones. I'm going to film the Light Elegance collection, and then I'm going to have probably about 2 videos for my new nail room. It's just taking me so long to do it. I don't know what it is, but we're getting there. We're getting it there. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my tutorials. Make sure you subscribe for more coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.